We often have a love-hate relationship with our stylish shoes. We love the look they give us, but we could do without the discomfort we feel at the balls of our feet. With the Pedi Soother Solutions shoe inserts, you can wear your favorite shoes in comfort. The ball of foot inserts are perfect because the pads provide great cushion to metatarsal area, but they are low profile so they don't overcrowd your shoes. Their base is a soft gel that molds to your feet, so you definitely feel their support when walking. The beige and black color have a moisture-absorbing suede overlay that help to absorb moisture so your feet don't sweat. There's a subtle contour in the pad that aligns with your toe ridge like this, and that helps to prevent your feet from sliding forward. The adhesive on the back is strong so the insert stays securely in place all day. Pedi Soother Solutions has packaged them in a stylish draw box that also serves as a lovely storage case. Stop sacrificing comfort for style. With Pedi Soother Solutions, your feet will feel as good as your shoes look.